Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this rich, creamy, cheesy white sauce pasta. It's absolutely delicious, loaded with vegetables and packed with flavors. Friends, if you're enjoying watching my videos, then give it a thumbs up and share the recipe with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. White sauce pasta is often a favorite among children due to its creamy, cheesy flavor. To cook the white sauce pasta, add 1 teaspoon salt to 6 cups of water. I'm taking 200 grams of macaroni shells. Cook the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes. Ensure the pasta is al dente, firm to the bite. We don't need to overcook the pasta. Once the pasta is done, we'll pour some cold water to stop the cooking process. I'm taking 1 medium-sized onion and 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. I'll finely chop the onion and garlic. Whenever I make white sauce pasta, I like to add lots of vegetables in it to make it super healthy. It's a perfect lunchbox recipe for kids and adults. My daughter loves it. To a hot pan of oil, add chopped onion. Saute it till nice and golden brown. Add chopped garlic. We'll add a teaspoon of Italian herbs, some salt and pepper. Saute it for a minute. Next, we'll add 150 grams of fresh broccoli florets. Mix well. Close the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. It's a popular dish for family meals and can be a great way to sneak in the extra nutrients with added vegetables. We'll cook the broccoli until slightly tender but should retain its crunch. Now our broccoli is done enough. I will add a handful of cooked sweet corns. Mix and cook it for another 5 minutes. Our broccoli sweet corn stir fry is done. We'll keep it aside. Next we'll prepare the bechamel sauce. I'm adding 30 grams of butter and 30 grams of all-purpose flour, maida, to the pan. Cook it over low flame for 5 minutes. Gradually add half liter milk. Whisk until sauce thickens. Always turn off the flame when you pour in the milk. Make sure the milk is cold when you pour it in the flour, which helps to get lump-free bechamel sauce. Keep adding the milk and whisking the sauce until you get lovely, thick and creamy texture. We've got this white sauce with smooth, silky consistency. We'll add some nutmeg, black pepper and salt. I'm adding 50 grams of cheddar cheese. Mix it until well combined. Make sure the gas is on low flame while stirring in the cheese. I'm adding a little more Italian herbs to the sauce and some roasted chili oil. You can see the sauce has come together so beautifully. Rich, creamy, cheesy white sauce is ready. Now we'll add in the broccoli stir-fry mixture to the sauce. Mix the sauce and vegetables very well. Before adding the cooked pasta to the sauce mixture, I will add good amount of mozzarella cheese in it. This white sauce pasta is easy to prepare and everyone at home will enjoy it, especially kids. If you feel the pasta sauce is too thick, you can add a little more milk to get the right consistency. Now I'm adding the cooked macaroni to the sauce. Now our white sauce pasta is ready. I will transfer it to a serving dish. This silky smooth white pasta with aromatic sauce is a guaranteed way to delight your taste buds. It's always a pleasure cooking for you. Do share your feedback and I will soon see you in my next video. Bye.